Hi, Kristen. This is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Wanted to say thank you for taking the quick moment to speak with me the other day. As promised, I have made this video for you and Russ to review, and I understand that most of your advertising is done on radio and word of mouth. And I believe you guys had advertised on Angie's List as well. So I just wanted to kind of give you a quick review and some tips and tricks you could use. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My number is 541-900-1096. So I did go ahead and pull up your website, and the first thing I noticed is that your website is not secure. You definitely want to make sure that it's a secure website. And I went through, you have great content, and Google likes to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words for content. And in that content, they'd like to see some organic keywords. That's how they rank you. So I went ahead and pulled up your site and another site that we call Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool that we use to compare competitor sites and client sites and where they're ranking. As you can see, you have 90 backlinks, 49 referring domains, and 106 organic keywords. So I wanted to let you know backlinks are great and important. However, not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure they're bringing value to you. As far as organic keywords, Long's Heating and Air Conditioning is pulling up 30 searches a month. Long's Heating and Air is 150. So looking through here, you've got Heating and Air Conditioning, Medford, Oregon, 80 searches. HVAC Medford, Oregon is 100. So you want to go through and make sure that you're using your keywords to their full potential. Looking at your site, it looks like on your front page you only have 835 words. So you definitely want to get that up. I went ahead and pulled up a couple of your competitors. Here's one. They definitely have lots of content, but definitely nowhere near where they need to be. And I wanted to point out too that pictures can be considered content as long as they are saved and applied correctly. So looking at their Ahrefs, they've got 749 backlinks, 19 referring domains, and 80 organic keywords. Again, a lot of people are searching for them in particular. They're getting 150 searches a month. So this is just a few other keywords that they are getting and a way to outrank them. Here's another website. They do not have any content, so they should be pretty easy to outrank on their homepage. They do have 17 organic keywords, and it looks like Grants Pass Heating and Air is pulling 80 searches per month. Heating and Air Conditioning Grants Pass is the one that's pulling up 60. So that's a great way to outrank them as well. So I wanted to talk to you about Google, and you're sitting pretty good on Google as of right now. However, another company could come along and outrank you. So here's your ad right here for Google Ads. Great place to be. It's a great way to advertise. We do specialize in advertising as well on Google and Facebook, and you want to make sure you're standing out and catching your potential customers' attention. This right here is where we call the map pack. Again, you're sitting at number 2, which is great. You definitely want to stay there because potential customers are going to call the first 3 services that they see on there. Down here, you're awesome. You're sitting at number 1. This is the organic listings, and you want to make sure you are holding that position and constantly updating your citations as well. And citations are your business name, phone number, and address, and those are easy to obtain. So you definitely want to make sure you are still ranking here and outbeating your competition. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope these tips and tricks help to involve your website a little bit more. And if you have anything, let me know.